Today we're taking a look at this military style shovel cover for one of these military entrenching tools. Let's get into it. This particular shovel cover is sold on Amazon by Military Outdoor Clothing as a model number 6193N Never Issue USGI olive drab rubber shovel cover. Quite the long name. I'll throw up the screenshot of it right here, but it is pretty good for the price. So let's get into the features of the shovel cover. To start off with, this shovel cover is made of very thick, heavy, and durable rubber. Right there we can see just how thick it is and how tough it is. It also features two snap closures here on the front that snap shut once you have the shovel inside. It also features two MOLLE clips here on the back to attach it to a belt or backpack or whatever you want to attach it to. Now, this type of cover is designed to fit the military style entrenching tools or folding shovels. They sell these on Amazon, of course, but the price tends to be around $30 to $40, which I'm sure you're getting a good quality one for that. The reason I bought this was because I needed something to store my Ozark Trail folding camp shovel, which I've done a review on if you want to check that out. But I was looking for a cover for it so I could kind of fold it up and put it away without it just being there and scratching things and stuff. I bought the sheath to store that in, and it's actually been pretty good sheath so far. So I'm just going to talk to you guys about a few things I like about this. There's not really any bad stuff about it. There's a few things that I wish were different, but other than that, it's been a pretty good little cover. So one of the things that I really like about this cover is that it is super high quality. I mean, it's not the most high quality, but it is pretty sturdy, and it's pretty heavy duty rubber as well, so that gives it a sturdy feel and helps it to last a long time. Another nice thing is that since most of these entrenching tools are all the same size, that pretty much all of them fit inside the cover. Another thing I really like about this shovel cover is that even with the shovel inside, it still has a pretty compact size here. It's just around 10 inches long, 6.5 wide, and then right around 2.5 to 3 inches thick. Another really nice thing about this shovel cover is that it has the MOLLE clips here on the back. This means you can attach it to a pistol belt or something like that. Or something like a backpack as well. Now, this shovel holster with the shovel in it is a little bit heavy when it's on like a rigging belt or a pistol belt like that, and it is also heavy when it's on the back of a bag or something. So if you're going to run it on a belt, make sure that you have suspenders or something on it to keep it from falling down, and if you're going to run it on a backpack, make sure the MOLLE is really stitched on well to that bag. Something else right here is that all these little holes are drainage holes, so if you get water in here or whatever, it will drain out. It also has a little tiny drainage hole in the bottom. And finally, lastly, for the stuff I like about it is that it's just good, it works, it's simple, and it's pretty compact. And it also comes in at a pretty nice price point. Some of the things that I not hate but just don't particularly care for or would change if I made this is that the snap on this side tends to have a little bit of an issue. When you try and snap it down, it doesn't always want to snap. It'll like make the noise like it snapped and then it'll pop undone. So over here the snap has a little bit of a problem, which, you know, it's fine. And then something that you really can't complain about that is a little bit of a pain is that with the shovel inside of here, since of course the shovel is metal, this thing weighs a lot, especially if you want to put it on a belt or something like that. So what does the price of this shovel cover run? Well, currently at the time of this video, it is $12.50 on Amazon, which is a pretty good deal. So if you go watch my other video or if you've already watched it, you'll know that this shovel was right around $10 to $15 at Walmart, depending on which particular model you pick out. Or if you want to get a little bit of a higher quality one, of course, you can buy that on Amazon or somewhere else. So $10, $15 for the shovel, and then around $10 to $12 for the cover here. You're looking at around $20 for this great little package here, and they're both matching colors, and the shovel fits, and it keeps it all nice and kind of compact and from cutting other things if you have it in an area that you keep other stuff that you don't want to get cut up or scratched. Keeps it really nice and clean. Also contains the dirt as well. So I would definitely recommend this cover in case you're wondering. I would highly recommend this, especially if you have a shovel that doesn't have a cover or something on it already. If you want to check out the shovel video, there's a link up in the corner card over here, so you can check that out if you want. But this is just a great little cover for the price. Alright guys, that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, please consider hitting that thumbs up button. Also, consider sharing it with someone who might find it helpful. Leave us a comment down below. If you have not done so already, please consider subscribing and make a new video every week. That is pretty much it. I hope you're having a great day. Stay safe, and we'll catch you on the next video. Take care.